If you're looking for a way to handle both payroll and taxes with just one accounting tool, you've come to the right place. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk through how to manage both tasks efficiently and save yourself from the hassle of using multiple platforms. And stick around until the end because I've got an exclusive free trial offer for you, only available to viewers of this channel. Let's dive in. First things first, when managing payroll and taxes with one accounting tool, the key is to choose software that integrates both payroll functions and tax management into one seamless platform. No more juggling between different apps or spreadsheets. The software we'll be using today covers both bases, and I'll show you exactly how it works. Once you've set up the software, the first thing you'll want to do is input your company details, including your payroll schedule, tax rates, and any employee-specific information like tax withholding preferences. This step is crucial to ensure everything runs smoothly when it's time to run payroll. The next step is running payroll. With this software, you can easily calculate wages, deductions, and bonuses. All you have to do is input your employees' worked hours, and the system will automatically calculate their pay. The best part? The software automatically calculates taxes based on the information you've provided earlier. This includes federal, state, and local taxes, which are often the trickiest part of payroll. Now let's talk taxes. After running payroll, this software automatically generates tax forms, including W-2s and 1099s, and even makes sure that the right taxes are withheld. With this feature, you won't have to spend extra time figuring out the complexities of tax codes. The software even helps you with quarterly tax payments, so there's no need to manually track deadlines. And here's the secret sauce. Everything is automatically updated. The software keeps track of all the changes in tax laws and updates them, so you don't have to worry about keeping up. You can set up automatic reminders for when tax filings are due, ensuring you never miss a deadline. So why not simplify your workflow? The best part is, this software doesn't just streamline payroll and taxes. It offers full integration with other aspects of your business accounting, like invoicing and expense tracking, so you get an all-in-one solution that keeps everything in one place. As a quick recap, to handle payroll and taxes with one accounting tool, you need to input your company details, run payroll with automated tax calculations, generate tax forms, and set up automatic reminders for tax filings. The software we've used here does it all, saving you time and ensuring compliance without the hassle. Remember, if you want to follow along and try out the software yourself, check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below. This trial is only available to viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Key takeaway. The easiest way to handle both payroll and taxes in one place is by using an accounting tool that automates both tasks. Automate payroll, tax calculations, and filings all in one place, and you'll save time and reduce errors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that free trial in the description. See you in the next video.